Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Y166630 Bosch Dishwasher Detergent Cup Latch with S is a solid investment for you. 166630 Bosch Dishwasher Detergent Cup Latch review as a specialist inches tool longevity and mechanical service life. I spend a considerable amount of time analyzing failure points inches high-end household appliances. Check the video description for the updated price link. When homeowners invest inches premium dishwashers like the Bosch Benchmark series, they expect an operational lifespan that easily surpasses a decade. However, mechanical failure rarely occurs at the core motor or main water pump level first. Rather, degradation typically strikes high-cycle interface components. One of the most common and frustrating points of failure inches luxury dishwashing units is the detergent dispenser assembly specifically, the mechanism that keeps the detergent cup securely sealed during the pre-wash cycle. When your Bosch dishwasher door fails to latch properly, or when the detergent tablet drops prematurely into the tub during loading rather than dissolving at the precise chemical phase of the wash cycle, the entire cleaning efficiency of the machine is compromised. Enter the 166630 Bosch Dishwasher Detergent Cup Latch with spring. This OEM-grade replacement component is engineered to restore the precise mechanical tension and latching integrity required for optimal detergent release. In this deep dive technical review, we will evaluate the metallurgy, spring elasticity, installation dynamics, and long-term service life enhancement provided by this critical replacement part. The Bosch Benchmark line represents the pinnacle of quiet operation, stainless steel interior durability, and precision water management. Yet, a dishwasher is a harsh electrochemical environment. Operating under high temperatures, chemical detergents, mineral-dense hard water, and constant thermal cycling, plastics become brittle and springs lose their memory. When a component like the detergent cup latch snaps or loses its spring tension, consumers are often tempted to replace the entire inner door assembly or dispenser box, an expensive and unnecessary endeavor. By focusing on modular repairability, parts like the 166630 latch assembly drastically extend the mean time between failures (MTBF) of your appliance. Designing a replacement latch that matches OEM factory specifications ensures that tolerances are maintained to the millimeter. Poorly manufactured aftermarket knockoffs often utilize inferior plastic compounds that warp under heat or springs that rust prematurely. The 166630 kit includes a high-grade polymer latch coupled with a corrosion-resistant spring, engineered specifically to withstand thousands of open and close cycles without fatigue. To fully appreciate the 166630 Bosch Dishwasher Detergent Cup Latch with spring, we must examine its structural characteristics and material science. Precision OEM fitment, designed specifically for compatible Bosch, Thermador, and Gaggenau dishwashers, ensuring seamless alignment with existing dispenser housing grooves. Thermal-resistant polymer construction. The latch body is molded from high-density engineering plastic capable of withstanding continuous exposure to wash temperatures exceeding 160 F71C without structural deformation. Calibrated torsion spring. The included spring provides exact tension strong enough to snap the lid shut securely, yet calibrated to allow smooth actuation by the electronic wax motor or wax actuator release arm during the cycle. Corrosion-resistant spring metallurgy fabricated from stainless steel alloy to resist oxidation and pitting caused by harsh dishwasher rinse aids and concentrated detergent pots. Modular design allows for quick, user-installable repair, saving hundreds of dollars. Professional appliance repair technician service fees. Much like maintaining heavy-duty gear, a workshop, a topic we explore extensively. Our related product guide. Preventative maintenance and targeted part replacement are the ultimate keys to doubling the operational service life of mechanical systems. Check the link in the description to get yours today.